Yede a local news no so edeba live on Hana TV na bibian so etimi akoye Andra Accra Hearts of Folk and so etimi onveli omu players no mako na enkron eye 9 and Hearts of Folk and so etimi onveli omu ahonsam no mede ema player ni din ede Abdul Kader Mahmood and so as a striker as Accra Hearts of Folk and so etimi onveli no na unum se kumasa asante Kotoko enso ewo Abdul Kader enso hobotono defensive midfielder sa enso na player ni din enso ede Kader Mahmouda Andra Hearts of Folk enso etimi onveli no so ono so etimi striker ehun sem mede edma Andra abrante ni din ede Alex Banso right winger Accra Hearts of Folk enso etimi sign no enso every team and din ede Ebony City formerly of Namoro ehun sem so mede eba mede ehun sem beba later abrante ni din enso ede Prince Amavo enso right backer amo signing every Hoho United Abdulaziz left winger Caleb Granton Manuel Jan right back Roxen Treme center forward abrante ni din ade Ebenezer Amo defensive midfielder and John Entry and so the signing of Toka and people are talking about John Entry and who some made my pacho my video name flow na menka and one some ho wouldn't say Andra Accra Hearts of Folk invited 4 nations and 4 teams say omubebo Accra City tournament. Team and D at the Port City, team and D at the Visions FC, and Swedro All Blacks, and Accra Hearts of Folk, Nankasa team and D at the Accra Hearts of Folk, and so training grounds pitch na FA pa, and that's no, who's a training grounds pitch no, kama pa, Andra, among etimi announce na Andra, and I have Port City. Etimisha Vision FC back woman about first match no second match na Accra Hearts of Folk and so any team and din at the Swedro All Blacks Shano so play and din at the Faisal Chawate and so etimi making a debut and so edema Swedro All Blacks first half na Swedro All Blacks etimisha Hearts of Folk 2-0 has better and has so it me sir I'm a playing din at the Alex Banso and so it me bad team no ma on so and that screen so come on so it me be say goal the first goal and I playing din at the Hussein Muhammad and so at the back ka ho and so but ni na to be koya 2-2 and I'm the so called penalties no and so ehihye penalties no kowe no na Accra Hearts of Folk and so etimi edinkunim by 5-4 ehun sam mede edema national so John Entry or former player Edma Hearts of Folk but nkofo be brain shedanim John Entry 2008 and Oba Hearts of Folk enema shedan koyama no and okone nam abrochere sa John Entry is currently the foreigner wetime to kwan akọ Egypt Premier League me wa share more goals and so ewo ho and I made a wholesome Edemana John Entry, young villain. No, in conform break, I said, I didn't know for how to folk place Nina, I share a how to folk Jesse. Not John Entry, Guasha Mofti. I first go for so cast a how to folk and tie, and I'm with me echo signing a kit deal with a THB, the whole brand. I didn't know more value of place with the whole brand. A atta. Ehonsam enso ewa say me kwahwi na mabu edi akofa Brekum Chelsea Andra ena omutimi onveli player ni din edi Zakaria Fusenia Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso etimi terminating the contract no wa sign contract no 2 years enso edi ama Brekum Chelsea mede ehonsam so edi ma sheno so na Eduana Football Club enso ena na Zakaria Fusenia nanso na Eduana etimi ayo mo signs na awie omo ntimi an sign no Kwame Poku ya na posta get momentum ya me ya na sign omo ya na sign te ya no Kwame Poku sign na me the salary ni etuja 8,000 Ghana cedis unu say Kwame Poku ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko na otua de ka 10,000 Ghana cedis enti Kwame Poku eko bibie no go stars na yeman 8,000 Ghana cedis no no Kwame Poku ebetimi akotima ne di ede bibia ni Gold Stars na bibia nso etimi akoye kama ede amami biam ewo Kumase Asante Kotoko na me de ball no nso etimi ede amount wunim say goalkeeper ne din ede Abdul Murad Wadi, the Moroccan goalkeeper. Me ba chama send the picture amount Abdul Murad Wadi,
okay,
oye goalkeeper Kumase Asante Kotoko etimi akwa sign no Andra eno bedu eye team eye camper wetimi join Kumase Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko currently our 3 goalkeepers. Goalkeeper ne din ade Danlad Ibrahim,
okay,
goalkeeper ne din enso Murad enada screen so no Danlad Ibrahim, abranche ne din ade Aziz Haruna Dari ena Cleverson Obeng eye goalkeeper edema U team na Stanley Menzo etimi a promote no dia ba aye the senior team na dia metie ne se dia nti omoko sign ne goalkeeper ne din ade Abdul Murad Wadi na ne se o se youth young Porcupine Kotoko youth team no ama qualify by division 2,
okay,
inte ba sa na se abranche ne din ade Cleverson Obeng ekoboa ema youth team no so etimi ebo mu game no division 2 no enti abranche ne din ade Cleverson Obeng ebe kwa kodwane YouTube no na bibia nso etimi akoye kama ede amount entie bia meti exclusive na mede amount,
okay,
dia meti ne se goalkeeper ne din ade Abdul Haruna Aziz Dari enso edin komo se obeso ofri Kumase Asante Kotoko
na chese exclusive
Kotoko obi ante da mate se goalkeeper ne din ade Aziz Dari peso ofri Asante Kotoko ni na ne se o say owo ana goalkeeper ndidi Muhammad Kamara bai ana Kamara bai comment ever started ahead of him. He was being used as the second goalkeeper,
okay,
also team ntra ho o hwe de akona Danlad will be the first goalkeeper. It won't mean to my second goalkeeper bim afen so ntia menti o contract mu krampo chese sa goalkeeper Abdul Wadi no contract Kotoko ne sign no obetem be first choice in the Danlad okra ho keka.
This is a Kotoko nyenya first.
Watch us here. Coach and the D at the rectangular. He is creating room for competitions. Yet also at the Amawa. Player and the D at the Emmanuel Sanja. Etimia join the Kumase Asante Kotoko from Visions FC. Wetin ko join Andrew Numre and or join Ed Momo e team ho kama. Bad news for Kumase Asante Kotoko. Ni na say Patrick Asiedu Epra.
Okay.
Unum say next week in so no Kumase Asante Kotoko ne Accra Heart of Folk ebo Democracy Cup. Nti Asiedu supra no na hwan na eba be show Ali Oman na say hwan. Eno so a big doubts ho mede ema for the past 2 days no player ne din ade Asiedu ontimi enye training emfama Kumase Asante Kotoko. We so exclusive. Unum say play coach and din ade rectangular about Kumase Asante Epra.
Okay.
Unum say next week in so no Kumase Asante Kotoko ne Accra Heart of Folk ebo Democracy Cup. Nti Asiedu supra no na hwan na eba be show Ali Oman na say hwan. Eno so a big doubts ho mede ema for the past 2 days no player ne din ade Asiedu ontimi enye training emfama Kumase Asante Kotoko. We so exclusive. Unum say play coach and din ade rectangular about Kumase Asante Kotoko no or the two board name na say ope an experienced center back.
Okay.
Na experienced center back no o ka say obeje $5,000 $5,000 or the two board name board no so say $5,000 there yeah ade a esopa san komo $5,000 and komo keep samba onel na so ntia metia ne say board na nya atiase say Southern African center back Embrano major $5,000 Ghana cedis in the before say you be close to transfer window no or Sunday no Southern Africa center back eba be sign e de ma Kumase Asante Kotoko. Another exclusive amede e de ma on say Kotoko player ni din di Hubejewu so ni mu no
sure
Vitinha
say prostaw ni mu no Hubejewu
yeah fantastic finest player
Vitinha pepe
sure
exclusive amede ma on say Vitinha de abetuja say ne ninje
Okay.
Opeso free Kotoko.
To wait your time with Kotoko update.
What you say? Yes, in a ninja. Na entia metia chese CEO atapoku. Ene so to nsem gu dibiti nya sum sa bradriana ubenya bia boy ye be captain ye be most kase. What you say?
Eduana for no fa kwan bi so.
Aha, la sula la bisa.
Okay.
Wonim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko any captains. Captain na mo why Samba O'Neil, Henry Ansu and Lord Amwa. Samba O'Neil ko, Henry Ansu su ko. Lord Amwa enya ACL into a team numbium. So say entia metia ne say Asante Kotoko be appointed new captains for the team.
Okay.
Now new captains for the team. No say team no be a watcher pa. Hey Emmanuel Kotei.
Okay.
He joined from Instructormai FC. Ufru anu ba Patrick Asiedu. Na the metia ne say captains no. Between Richard Wodu Agadas or former Kumasi Asante Kotoko captain. Wasaba no.
Okay.
Danlad Ibrahim was a former Kotoko captain.
Okay,
when Danlad was in Kotoko, he was the captain, assisted by Richmond Lamte, and then deputized by player D Ade Mfenge Rodriguez Ongbe.
Sure.
They say I'm no Kasano, Richard Wodu, Danlad Ibrahim, Patrick Asiedu, Emmanuel Kotei, and Lord Amo and Ankasana in 24 consider almost say Ombe Momo aye captain, Ediama Timuno. Na Lord Amo e plano me susu yin asanka me wato fa captains na tusu ma me da sendo.
Okay.
Me susu yin asanka Lord Amo be keep the main captain nanka ama find the other alternative.
Okay.
Good news. Good. Yes. Another player to join the captaincy is Lord Hilary Adabo.
Okay.
Lord Hilary Adabo will also join the captaincy. They mate here no. Good news for Kotoko ne say Hubert Jewu Vitinha. And so etimi adjoin Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp. Ewo under 23 no. Oko under 23 Black Stars camp. And I say wetimi adjoin every ho a join Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko number 10 jersey no ho na be she.
Okay.
Kotoko number 10 jersey no. Se with him Abrante and Dindi Erigbeta. I sign free Oman no. He's an Ivorian. Okwana question na me say dribbles near the Adenko for craft and Ngoro Kante. Wenga or Ngoro Kante ni nya say ne skills no different from Ngoro Kante but the timo dupa no ho den. And so yes better. Ebetime number 10 just na she. Walid name so ebetime just na she. Walid for saying name.
Sure.
Eso betime just na she. Philip Amo Kudus Bruno na friend Romeo onso dia me chere se onso betimi anya jese no enso etimi ache ena hwebajewu enti nipa team makomako na se players makomako 4 ena na matenjes no omo epre ho last story amede beto one wahwefo yi na enim ne se Kotoko be make a Mikey signing.
Okay.
Mikey sign dia me chere so he will be a Brazilian, so anya Brazilian grandpa obey bro ni fita.
Okay. There's just a foreign player.
Aha, na chese. Uko stadium a. Me kwa kwhwe.
I can't just one day and be more 24 hours now transfer no ya be cruise na.
That be Sunday.
Sure, Adebechi.
Yes.
11:59.
Good.
Okay. Sure.
Good.
There's just less than
what I say.
2 days.
But GFA mrem no. Otimi ni pa na kasa na mu na moti ase wie.
Okay.
No on buy grandpa, on betimi ma pardon e ho.
Okay.
Ento Kotoko dia metia ne say omo be sign marquee signing from Brazil or other European countries ni bi.
Okay.
And so Ediaba na bibia nso etimi akoye kama Ediaba the golden boy.
Okay, Sir Fred. And when you're attending kind of latest on update no your transfer no watala no o krumwana so on the basenka no buy dianka pay bianko pay biansumba
they mention say
na Abubakar Watala house of food camp ana
Matisse waba.
Okay.
Matisse waba but they mean ase nie out of go sign FN say Alex Banso every Kumasi ya Alaji Akambi eba Kumasi ba be fa no e na de no call no for flight.
Okay.
Now one sanctions are deal no
any asema
na Abubakar Watala ma Ghana into one sanction deal no
Okasa o has for some ya Otara bekai. O se we as a sporting director and my team no. Una ban say player beko. Ye bebo season. Ghana Premier League September ye started. Una obehwe say beto players no uni ho. E be sire ne akoto players. Ye koto bi so awose wo maya obi anu kwan obi anu that momentum ni say wa go for player ba. And
okay,
it means things are not at the appropriate right. All has to football to kakra. I think say a very big blow say Hubert Jau Vitina ebe free Kotoko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mami breaking news we from
okay.
Unse Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebo game.
Sure.
Yes, omune Koforodia Sempefi.
Yeah.
Na lineup amensa kan enso eni goalkeeper ni din de Danlad Ibrahim, Marius Angie Kofibini.
Okay.
Ena Hamzata Musa.
Okay.
Abu Adam the youth boy no. Ena Joseph Amoa, Richard Bodu Agadas, Abdul Kader Tananga, Inusa Adams, Emmanuel Mama, Isaac Opokwajeman, ena Eric Beta, ena Asate Ediama Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Kotoko Ashewako. I think so mo call Koforidia hono.
Richard Bodu Agadas there so ya ewiase Ronaldo. So no so akwane na maaba.
Akwane
no. Ball betumi apia de.
Who say Mami Brem kakra.
Okay.
Who say Richard Bodu after so free Kumasi Asante Kotoko free Mediama eba Kumasi Asante Kotoko no.
Okay.
He was so good to extend that or trying Emma on a deal. Sena be a Kotoko beto no na wanya Kotoko nya bibi kakra. After so okwa brochiri.
Sure.
After okwa brochiri no bo ye hu ne highlight of bo kama. But when me say na injury kakra bi hye no ho.
Sure.
Na injury na hye no ho no. Medical team no ebusa ne say oba ha no be plan na say hye no da no ka che oka no kre. O say hye no ho dada. O media mane ade na. Ana mu busa ne say oba pre mama ye ni surgery. No ka say ai. Ana mu ye ni surgery.
Okay.
To mu ye ni surgery last season he was about to join Karim Zito's Kotoko.
Yeah.
And a deal no and go through. And I call joining Ashanti go 04. Say no or babium. But none deal say na kwe. Kotoko wanted 1 year.
Okay.
He wanted 2 years. But not dentia Kotoko pet 1 year in an say 1 ni age. Agadas nyini kakra.
Oh so ya ko bebo 40.
Was a
yes,
Agadas is roughly 28, 29.
Okay.
That is football age.
28 years. 28 years we bet about 5 years. So say so 28. 28 I think of 4 years.
La when we say so am football age no. It's Ghana, say Ghana.
Richard Bodu. Okay. Bebeboa eno oba Kotoko no hwe ne performance do ne say
oh but I'm assessing before I'm sign no
ball ne dey obo bi ma ye hu ne performance ye hu ya che
I'm assessing before they sign him.
I think says oba na ofan already ma obeboa team no. Okay, say coach na so na opesa one ne ye adwuma and Kotoko so pesa mo ne ye adwuma I think say obeboa ama team na afa na ntuma pefra
yo obeboa because set team coach etimi assess so
sure
now was signing say yes signing with there it means that you are a good player. Agadas not there a one on one na Kotoko entimi signing na omu ne say onye fit because we surgery ba but after some medical assessment no was done no omu say he is fit
obetimi aye
what I say and then Clary he was playing against the last match they played against Kwando Heart of Lions. He played.
Sure.
To extend that we know Richard Bodu Agadas of his aggressiveness.
Yeah.
And he was bullying the midfield of Ishmael Ado of Kwando Heart of Lions.
Sure.
Mamfantuja Heart of Lions are appointed Ishmael Ado as the captain.
Sure.
And you know no bully omo to some extent coach the craft friend catch say onya butre kakra. It is a coach to anya omugidie. So anya omugidie etimi afro. Say which means he likes you.
Sure.
But ngofo ka say ɔfrɛ Zakaria Fuseni ɔfrɛ the light of players Yasaki ɔmo ɔfrɛ Saka bo no Saka dan kom na ɔmo bon kom na ba yet ɔsaka ɔmo but here the case that Agadas has proven no doubt he is undoubtedly one of the best midfielders we can have.
Sure.
What I say?
Sure.
And you know, in the inclusion of Agadas, I think a very great,
Sure.
Prosta ebe room kakra na didi ama for no sugu so
player the Dindi Emmanuel Mama joined from Samantes and a etimi ahye go no dia makomasa Asante Kotoko.
Okay, Mama.
Yes.
New sign.
La binyame.
Yeah,
na o say Prosta electing kalai didi ama for no sugu so
player the Dindi Emmanuel Mama joined from Samantes and a etimi ahye go no dia makomasa Asante Kotoko.
Okay, Mama.
Yes.
New sign.
La binyame.
Yeah,
na o say Prosta electing kalai obetimi aye dwuma the momentum of Kumasi Asante Kotoko because per results
sure
ye season as anya fina oba be ma excuse ni ade needy results no
wonu mse Kotoko nya penalty ma new sign na ne dinde Isaac Opoku Ajiman agba to atwere
okay
to new yen sign no kura wi what was penalty okay
yeah so and boss player Amanda wasi na mensanto aso e wo be 33 and senior worker no